Welcome to excelhub.org. In this video I will explain you how to put password to Excel file and how to remove the password from the Excel file and adding other formats to Excel to protect if you want to send any file to someone with password, and how to recover the file if we forget the password. We'll discuss all these 4 points. First, I'll tell you how to put password to an Excel file. So to put password, we have to go here and click on this encrypt document. So it will show this dialog box. In this we can put the password, click OK. It will ask us to re-enter the password, re-enter the same password and confirm. So now the file is protected. If you close this file and reopen, it will ask for password. You can see this. If we close this file and open this, it is asking password. I will enter the password. Yes, it's open. So in case if we want to remove the password which we have put for the file, then again we'll have to go to start, prepare, encrypt document, and from here just we'll have to delete this password and click OK. So now the password is removed from this file. And one more thing is, in case if we want to send any other files to someone like PDF files, picture or any other formats, and if we don't know how to put password to that particular file, in case if we are sending some pictures, it is not possible to put the password to open those files. So we can use this trick. We can go to insert and object. Here we can select this. I am selecting a image file. I will insert that file to this Excel file and put password to this file and send this file to someone, so that if some other person get this file, he may not be able to, he cannot see the JPEG file which is inside this protected Excel sheet. So this is one technique. And one more thing, in case if we forget the password which is given to the Excel file, how to recover this? As we see the message here, it says if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. It is advisable to keep a list of passwords and their corresponding document names in a safe place. So it's very important to remember the passwords given to the Excel file, and it's very difficult to recover this, but there are some softwares to recover the password for the Excel file, which will use dictionary or brute force technique to recover the password, but we'll have to pay for those softwares and purchase, and then we'll have to recover the password. So it's advisable to keep a record of all the passwords for each documents. I hope this will help you.